What if Earth and Mars collided?
Don't worry. I will hold both of them back.
Oh, ChumPum. Firstly, if Earth and Mars collided, humans may shift over to the Moon. Secondly, if Earth and Mars collided, Mars's red rocks might fall onto Earth, while Earth's water might fall onto Mars. Lastly, if Earth and Mars collided, both of them might start looking weird after the collision. What if Jupiter stole Earth's water?
Yikes. I was supposed to protect the water.
Oh, ChumPum. Firstly, if Jupiter stole Earth's water, Jupiter may have to bear Earth's wrath. Secondly, if Jupiter stole Earth's water, Earth may steal all of Jupiter's moons. Lastly, if Jupiter stole Earth's water, Jupiter may start making a lot of money by reselling the water. What if Jupiter exploded?
No ways. Jupiter can't explode.
Oh, ChumPum! Firstly, if Jupiter exploded, all of Jupiter's moons may also start exploding one by one. Secondly, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. If Jupiter exploded, now Saturn will become the largest. Lastly, if Jupiter exploded, Earth may start running after Jupiter's moons. What if humans lived on the Sun?
No need. ChumPum is super comfortable here.
Oh, ChumPum. Firstly, if humans lived on the Sun may not need planet Earth anymore. Secondly, if humans lived on the Sun may become more popular than planet Earth. Lastly, if humans lived on the Sun, now the Sun will have to bear the noise and pollution caused by humans. What if the Earth exploded?
Wait, dude. I first need to finish my pizza.
Oh, ChumPum. Firstly, if the Earth exploded, Earth's natural satellite, as in the Moon, may also break up. Secondly, if the Earth exploded, Earth's neighbors, as in Venus and Mars, may keep on coughing. Lastly, Earth is our solar system's star attraction. If the Earth exploded, Sun may not be able to control his crying. What if Earth had Saturn's rings?
Oh, so is our Earth a thief.
Oh, ChumPum. Firstly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Saturn might snatch away all of Earth's water. Secondly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Saturn might start enticing humans to come and live on it. Lastly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, the ring might become overcrowded with humans taking selfies on it.